Here are 5 things to know about Pekingese puppies. 1. Pekingese are very loyal and affectionate. 2. Pekingese are very intelligent and strong-willed. 3. Pekingese need daily exercise, but they won't wear you out. 4. Pekingese enjoy cold temperatures. And 5. Pekingese are surprisingly heavy. They might look small and fluffy, but Pekingese have a surprisingly stocky and muscular body beneath their fur. The breed standard weight is up to 14 pounds. And that's all, for the 5 fun facts about Pekingese puppies. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you on the next videos.